The Prison Planet Theory. Planned Revelations 2. What if this world isn't home, but a holding cell? What if the reason we work every day, forget our past, and start over with broken knowledge isn't evolution, it's punishment? Maybe Earth is a rehabilitation realm, a factory world where souls serve sentences as workers, learning humility through repetition. We start with no memory, no ancient tools, no real knowledge of who built the pyramids or raised the Tartarian towers, because we're not supposed to know. The moment we begin to remember, the cycle resets, another flood, another empire buried, another new age declared. The elites, the ones who seem untouchable, could be the original inmates who learned how to manipulate the system. They live in luxury because they found ways to pass their sentence onto us. While we grind at jobs, chasing money just to survive, they hide beyond reach, maybe in the old Tartarian world, living without electricity, invisible to the watchers above. Electricity is the key. Every spark makes us visible to the Galactic Federation, the unseen civilization monitoring worlds like ours to decide. Do we deserve to evolve, or are we another failed experiment? Are we kind enough to join them, or corrupt enough to be wiped out, like Sodom and Gomorrah? That's why ancient structures use stone, not circuits. They knew light draws eyes, and those eyes can judge. Now our overseers use AI, satellites, and nanotechnology to send false status reports, fake updates about humanity's progress. They call themselves liaisons, but they're just projections. Synthetic echoes built from the same nanoparticles floating in our air, our water, maybe even our blood. They pretend to speak for us, sending peaceful transmissions to other worlds, while silencing anyone who remembers too much. Maybe that's why Revelations was written, a scripted fail-safe that if the prisoners revolt, trigger the prophecy, flood the system, start the loop again, erase the evidence, keep the illusion alive. But what if we've finally reached the end of that cycle? What if the watchers above can see that the workers have learned compassion, not control? That the real light isn't electricity, it's consciousness. If that's true, then every one of us who asks questions, who remembers, who refuses to play the game, we're breaking parole the right way. Maybe the next world isn't heaven, maybe it's freedom. And when this sentence ends, our souls will finally wake up on the other side, where no one works for survival, no one worships a screen, and the light above us isn't artificial.